of the rape and murder of a 6-year-old girl in a Saidabad area of Hyderabad. The girl was reported missing on the 9th of September. Her body was then found in the house of a neighbor the next day. The neighbor has been identified as Palakonda Raju and has been missing ever since. Initially, there were reports that he may have been arrested, but subsequently the police say they're on a lookout for him. There have been protests and tension in the area as locals demand justice, and now State Minister has even said that the accused will be nabbed and eliminated in an encounter.
తప్పకుండా వాణ్ణి ఎన్కౌంటర్ చేయాలి, తప్పకుండా వాణ్ణి పట్టుకుంటాము, ఎన్కౌంటర్ చేస్తాము, ఇడిచేదే లేదు వాడిని, తప్పకుండా చేస్తాము, పరామర్శిస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు చూడు పోయి అడే పోగానే చేయగానే కాదు, తప్పకుండా మా మనసు ఉన్నది, ఓదార్పు చేస్తాం, తప్పకుండా నష్టపరిహారిస్తాం, వాడిని ఎన్కౌంటర్ చేస్తాం.
Well, let's go across to Uma Sudhir for more. And Uma, the anguish and anger is understandable, but now State Minister actually claiming, an encounter of this suspect in the case.
Yes, indeed, Gargi. Very shocking that Mr. Malla Reddy, who is the Labour Minister from Telangana, is in fact making a claim that this person, this accused in this particular case, Palakonda Raju, for who all the police in Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Rachakonda commissionerates, the 3 commissionerates under the GHMC, all of them are on the lookout for this 30-year-old man who is an accused in this particular case. Of course, huge tensions around it because everyone's been demanding justice. There have been leaders, activists, people visiting the family and then making these statements. Even actors and others have in fact made statements on this. So the pressure on the establishment is huge. But for Mr. Malla Reddy to make such a statement, which very often a demand comes up whenever these kind of heinous crimes happen, in this case a 6-year-old child who was both sexually assaulted and also murdered. That is not something that the government would certainly agree with. Formerly, Mr. K.T. Ramarao, who had in fact tweeted soon after the incident had been reported, he had in fact at that time said that this accused has been arrested, but subsequently retracted his statement, and now the police, in fact, thousands of them launching a hunt for this particular man. What we are being told is that this man is believed to be an alcohol addict, and after the incident, in fact a day after it, he was seen in some CCTV footage consuming liquor at a place and casually walking in with a bag and then walking out. He's someone who's supposed to have a ponytail and ties it in a rubber band, wearing formal kind of a pant and a shirt as well, and therefore his photograph has been made public by the police, and they want information at the earliest in this particular case. The statement of the minister should also be seen in the light of the fact that, if you remember the Disha case of a veterinary doctor being sexually assaulted and murdered, subsequently the accused in that particular case were killed in an alleged encounter, and at this particular time the Supreme Court appointed a kind of an inquiry commission which is probing into the details of whether this was a fake encounter, whether he was killed deliberately by the police. That is something that is being looked into, the circumstances of it, and that's gathering a lot of attention nationally and internationally. And at this time, for this minister to make such a statement is quite shocking. While yes, everyone of course does want this accused to be arrested at the earliest and brought to justice. Back to you.
All right, Uma, thanks so much for joining us with the latest.